Hi everyone, this is Valentine. Welcome back to my channel, and today I am reviewing this smartboard by HKMLC, and this one is all-in-one. This is a computer, a smartboard, a TV, and a monitor. This is an amazing device, and well guys, let's get started with the details. First of all, it's automatic. Like the smartboard itself comes with a mounting equipment already, so you can already mount it on any type of a wall of yours. I've got a stand that was especially designed for the HKMLC smartboard, and this stand is for sale separately from the smartboard, so you're welcome to go check it out. By the way guys, I will leave you all of the links for both of the products, the smartboard and the stand, both of them by HKMLC. They are available on Amazon, and I will leave you the links for both of them down below at the description box of this video of mine, so you're welcome to go check it out. Now you need to buy the stand separately, and this is a stand on wheels, so it's extra easy just to move this one around as you go from room to room, from office to office, or whatever. This smartboard is gonna perfectly fit anyone in the education atmosphere, in the education-like environment, as well as it's gonna perfectly fit anyone in office or with office needs. You can use this one to do Zooms, you can use this one as a TV, as a computer, as whatever works for you. It comes with a remote control, so you can absolutely control everything through the remote itself. Another thing is that it comes with these two magnetic pens that you're welcome to use these pens to write anything on the board. If you are in teaching business, this is going to be definitely the perfect fit for you. Now these pens are magnetic, they're extra cool. You have a special space right here for one of them, as well as they can be mounted to the stand if you happen to have the stand as well. Now it has tons of different ports like Type-C, HDMI, touch port, USB ports, and you have way more back here. Now you can use this one as the monitor, as I said before, so you definitely have connections to monitors right here. Also, it comes with 4 antennas. That's in case you have a weak Wi-Fi signal somewhere, so you can absolutely just turn on these antennas and get a stronger Wi-Fi signal. Now guys, let's dive deep into this smartboard. So first of all, this is a 55-inch. It comes in 4K quality, and it's a touch screen, of course, because you can write on this and you have tons of different tools to work with. So you have just a regular browser right here that you're welcome to go, to any type of web page and explore. For an example, I was checking here YouTube. As you can hear, guys, it comes with an amazing audio quality, of products that are available for purchase on Amazon. And of course, that you can browse to any other type of a browser. Next feature you have is a screen share. So you can absolutely screen share to this smartboard as well as screen share from the smartboard to anywhere else. Can be extra useful. Now you can screen to another monitor or to a few monitors. Yes, you have this option. The next thing you have here is the file manager. So as I said before, it is definitely acting like a computer. So as you can see, guys, if this is not Windows, don't call me Valentine. I mean, look at the folders. Everything here looks amazing. It has a cloud drive, it has storage. So you have here separation of the type of the file, like documents, notes, pictures, media, and all. So whatever works for you, you can make it at least like same idea as a computer, because this is a computer. And the last thing is going to be the note, and that's the most amazing thing I've ever seen. This tool has all the possible things and tools to teach, to explain, and to create presentations of any type. Like literally, it even has like basketball fields, football fields, to plan your strategy if you are into football, if you are, let's say, a coach in a football team. Literally has it all. You can create graphs, you can create algorithms, you can create diagrams, whatever works for you. You have a previews and grid and notes, and you can just write whatever you want. How cute is that? It's Valentine, by the way, if someone doesn't understand my writing. Yes, God bless keyboards, because yeah, I always, my entire life, I have a terrible type of writing, like no one could understand, even me. So here you have different pages. You can have as many pages as you want, and you can create any type of diagrams as you want. Of course, that you have an eraser, so you can absolutely just erase whatever you want. This is just literally a whiteboard. Look at that, guys. You literally got it all. See, degrees, whatever. If you're an engineer, definitely a needed thing. If you are creating a product, if you are developing a product, any possible way in any type of a business, this one can be used. And I'm pretty sure, and I think so, that this one should be used in any possible business out there. Well, guys, let me tell you all the possible details about this HKMLC smartboard. Well, let's get started. So guys, let's get started with a detailed tech review of this HKMLC Smart Board. What I've got, it's 55-inch. Well, this one is available in 75 as well. So you are very welcome to go check them out on Amazon. I will leave you all the links down below in the description box to this video of mine. This one is 4K UHD and it comes with a touchscreen flat panel. It's best as a digital electronic whiteboard for any type of a business conference, classroom, teaching. In general, the HKMLC is a brand which is specializing in developing all type of smart interactive whiteboards. They're all about teaching. They're all about how to make our lives better. They are creating interactive whiteboards in any possible different sizes, all with different specifications, and they are used in many different scenarios. Their products are mainly for educational and commercial type of purposes. So guys, imagine you are doing a Zoom conference and you just got this interactive whiteboard in your room and you're showing your business partners, your graphs and your analysis that you've created and, some data that you analyzed and thought about. And just think about how useful this will be and how professional it looks like. Not just for Zoom conferences, but for any type of a thing. Let's say you are a YouTuber or a TikToker, which is teaching something through the content that you create. And well, this type of interactive whiteboard is just a must because you're gonna look so very professional. You're gonna be able to show so many different things to your auditory and you're definitely gonna make it big. This is just literally a necessary thing for everyone who's teaching something, for everyone who's learning something, for everyone who's doing any type of a business conference or just, any type of a conference. It can be science, colloquium, whatever works for you. So I absolutely a huge fan of this one. And well, it even has the most advanced hardware performance. So yes, let's talk about the hardware. Well, this one is a smart digital whiteboard, has 4K UHD touchscreen. This one is extra powerful capacity and it works on Android 11.0 to ensure the HKMLC Interactive Smart Whiteboard is 100% enjoyable, easy to use, and effectively covering any possible needs of everyone out there. Now, this smartboard touchscreen adopts a leading infrared induction technology. It comes with 2 millimeters of a high precision positioning, which can support up to 20 points of a touch readings. The response time is as short as 8 milliseconds. That to ensure that the stylus-to-touchscreen experience is all natural and smooth. So once you are writing on this screen, it actually feels like you're writing on a board, like with a pen on a board in a classroom. So it is definitely 100% feels like, the regular traditional class whiteboard that you can write on, that you can delete things from, that, you have eraser, you have all type of pens, all type of shapes, literally like paint. Well, you can use this one in any possible way. Like you can create diagrams, you can create any type of graphs and shapes, whatever. And literally just whatever works for you, it has it all. It is all built in that way to make it feels like it's the regular traditional whiteboard, but it's digital. Like how cool is that? It also supports a multi-person reading. So even if there are 2 people writing right now on this smart digital whiteboard, it will still work. And it is scanning and taking away stuff easily. This digital whiteboard works on an open application ecosystem. What does it actually mean? That means that type of a system allows you to seamlessly integrate popular applications or any type of a software you already using in your workflow. For an example, the smart interactive board supports applications like Zoom, Google Meet, Microsoft Teams, WebEx, and other popular third-party video conferencing applications and way more, while sharing everything with a remote participant. So yes, you can do a screen sharing. It will work for you just like a regular computer, literally. This is an all-in-one design, so you have 6 functions in one. Integrate functions of a projector, smartboard interactive whiteboard, a computer, a TV. You can use this one as television as well. You can just literally open YouTube and start playing whatever, or get Netflix. It is all about adopting the high configurations hardware, and it is all about optimizing the smartboard running and deliver a high quality experience and make the entire process to be extra smooth. While in this package, you're gonna get smartboard as well as you're getting a wall mounting. Also, you are gonna get a whiteboard remote. So yes, it comes with a remote, extra nice add-on. Also, you're gonna get 2 whiteboard pens and cables, as well as it came with 4 antennas. Now, the antennas are great if you are located somewhere with a weak Wi-Fi signal. The 4 antennas are helping a lot if you are located somewhere with a weak Wi-Fi signal. So literally the HKMLC thought about every possible thing. So guys, in conclusion, this is an essential mobile, all-in-one smart whiteboard, can be used for education, for content creation, for any type of a meeting, business meeting, science meeting, whatever type of a meeting. Even if you're planning, your bachelor party, you can use this one to plan. This can be used for any type of commercial needs, like in your office, in cubics, as well as this can be used for any type of entertainment. And now let's talk a little bit about the stand. So if you need a stand on wheels like mine, you need to purchase this one separately. And well, the stand that I've got, it's same brand, HKMLC. They are selling smartboard stands as well. And this one is good for interactive whiteboard from 55 inches and up to 86 inches. This one is a mobile portable stand with wheels. It was easy peasy to assemble. This one comes with instructions, comes with everything that you need to know. This stand is especially was designed for classrooms, if you're teaching, for your home office, for your commercial office. It's just literally way easier to move everything once it's on wheels. The wheels are 360 degrees rotation type of a wheels. They're smooth. They're creating this safe and truly like a butter feeling type of a moving of your interactive whiteboard on wheels. So if you are using this whiteboard for giving classes, for business conferences, I think that this stand is an absolute must-have. But of course, that the interactive whiteboard by HKMLC comes with a wall mounting kit already. So whatever works for you. But if you want a stand, it is going to be an additional purchase from Amazon, and I will leave you the link down below in the description box to the stand as well. Well, guys, that was actually the review for the HKMLC Smartboard as well as the stand. And well, guys, this one has endless possibilities. I literally showed you about 5% of what it's capable of. You're so very welcome, guys, to go check it out. I will leave you all of the links down below in the description box to this video of mine, as well as any other type of information like coupon codes, discounts, promotions, sales, how to save some money of yours on this smart board. Well, guys, this one has, once again, way more possibilities and options. For an example, it has this screen right here that goes out. Here you have same tools as on your iPhones, as on your smartphones, as on your tablet, as on your computers. Exactly the same tools. Like you have timer, stopwatch, record. You can screen record, yes, like literally on your smartphone. You can freeze the screen, you can crop the screen, you can do literally whatever works for you. This smart screen right here gives you even more applications right here, like the regular type of applications that you can find on any computer out there, like Cloud Drive, like Finder, like Store, Mirroring, Keeper, Notes, Teams, WPS Office, eShare Pro, and so very on. You have just literally tons of possibilities and options right here. So guys, be so very sure to check this smartboard by HKMLC. And thank you so much for watching this video of mine. Please let me know your opinion down below at the comments, and I'll see you all in my next videos. I love you all. XOXO Valentine.